The Global Environment Facility, a multilateral fund that finances environmental projects around the world, has approved $3.9 billion for efforts to tackle climate change, biodiversity loss, and water security over the next 4 years. The funding covers the period from 2026 to 2030. The decision was taken in Samarkand, where more than 1,900 delegates from 186 countries gathered for the 8th Assembly of the Global Environment Facility.
And this is $3.9 billion that European donors and other donors globally have committed to supporting Jeff's 144 recipient countries to pursue environmental goals of global significance, such as conserving biodiversity, managing the climate, restoring degraded areas, and managing shared freshwater and ocean systems.
European governments remain among the fund's largest contributors, while many of the projects supported by the facility focus on challenges that are becoming increasingly relevant across Europe, including climate resilience, biodiversity loss, and water security.
Jeff9 focuses on streamlining, enabling agencies and countries to hit the ground with resources more quickly, so massively decreasing the bureaucratic complexity of receiving Jeff funding.
The facility says at least 35% of the funding will be directed towards least developed countries and small island states, which are often among the most exposed to environmental risks. The discussions also examined how regions already confronting climate pressures, including Central Asia, are adapting to environmental challenges.
Central Asia is ground zero for the impacts that we see from climate change. And so for Western Europe and for other parts of the world, helping the leadership that's coming out of Central Asia and the determination, especially by Uzbekistan, to sort of really grow very green and to have resilient agriculture and to make the water system resilient. These are priorities because what we can do here then become lessons for other parts of the world.
Alongside the funding discussions, host country Uzbekistan used the gathering to present its own environmental agenda.
Yangi O'zbekiston mavjud muammolar ko'lamiga qaramay, ekologik transformatsiyani yangi taraqqiyot modeli sifatida ko'rmoqda.
The challenge now will be turning funding commitments into projects that deliver measurable results on the ground. 186 countries have agreed on how to fund environmental action across the globe for the next 4 years. What was decided at the negotiating table now moves to the field. Roshana Rahmatullayeva, Euronews, Samarkand.